Dear friends, in CPC we can complete the judgment. Who is the win? The judgment mean degree holder, DHR. The who is the failed in judgment? That person we can say the judgment debater. JDR mean JDR, judgment debater, and DHRs. DHRs mean winning person name is DHR in legal terminology of CPC. DHR mean degree holder. JDR mean judgment debater. With JDR and DHRs we have one opportunity also there. We can going to appeal also there. Who is the we can loss from the suppose example junior civil judge, then going to appeal sub court, then after our sub court to we going to district judge or high court. We can appeal and also appeal chance we can definitely there for the any JDR. The JDR can file the appeal. That appeal we can appeal can admitted or not admitted. Mainly we can section 144 also discuss about the CPC also. The CPC mean we give the appeal also can grounds also applicability there or not there we can decide it from the honorable court only. The must be one important thing we can jurisdiction and liability and grounds is must be important from the appeal grounds only. For CPC also applicability also there CPC provisions also we can explain the provision that provision related we can that related provision there definitely we can number also given the appeal only. And one more important point is government pleader. Now in every district one government pleader also there, every district in that the government pleader duty mean we can protect the government lands, protect the government lands. We any person A B C D any person we can against the government land we can file the any suit. We definitely we can party the government, MRO, collector, RDO or DM, any officers we can party to the civil suit. That civil suit we can represented by the government one pleader there. That pleader name is government pleader. The government pleader purely civil pleader, and purely can fight and favor of the government only, fight the favor of the government. The government pleader we can duty is that we can protect the government lands. The government pleader we can protect the government lands. Okay, next any foreign judgment there. The foreign judgments we never applicable from the in the India country only. Suppose any central government GOs, gazettes also related there, any related topic also there. We can any partitions also there, some property also in US, UK, any there. We can declarations or the judgment also we can file the in Indian courts. But we have acceptance or not we can beyond the subject of subject and object there, the subject related there or not, that we can decide it from the honorable court only, which that document we can related or not related. That foreign courts we can liability not there. In the Indian judiciary, Indian constitution and Indian laws also different than other country laws also different. We can subject to topic, subject to that property we have any related there, we can accept the subject and object grounds only there. And one more important things we can judiciary we can file one important grounds we can everybody know the important ground, very important in the civil nature only. Suppose example you can file the any civil suit, we can send the notice defendant. The defendant that day we never present in the court, we can absent the defendant. That also suit we also ex parte order given the honorable court only. Any junior civil judge or senior civil judge or district judge or high court, where any civil suit we can file the civil litigations or civil cases filed against the one party. That party also send the notices, summons also send it, but is that time have, so for example next month 10th also there, the next month 10th he is not attending in the court, we can announce the honorable court ex parte also there. Ex parte means then after ex parte evidence recorded, then how passed the favor of the plaintiff only. Then after defendant, we can any ill health problem there, we going to out of station, any mother father any ill health, any personal reasons or anything reasons, leave not taken, we going to other country, anything there, we can afterwards we can coming in the court, we can set aside, we can ex parte order to, you can set aside petition filed and you can challenging that order only. That we have grounds also, one affidavit write the reasonable grounds also, we can mention the in affidavit, we can acceptance of the honorable court only. And one more thing, we can your suppose example ex parte order there, then after also appeal we can challenge the order, we can challenge the ex parte order, we can afterwards we can permission to honorable court, we can reopen the evidence, we can choose then. And one more thing, suppose example you are also know the very well, in the case file against of you are next month we going to abroad any state, you can give the one power of attorney. What is the power of attorney? In this case, OS number, suit number, in this example suit number 5, 6 or any suit number we can return, and one document created for the power of attorney. What type of give the power of attorney? For example, in my case we can file the case, that case we can fight against we can a representation of the case, we can give the power of attorney also we given. And suppose example any defendant or plaintiff or any person death there, next to legal representation, we can family members we can coming to next to representation in the case also there. It can applicability for permission petition also, we can file in honorable court, then court also that petition we can hearing afterwards, we can order passed, that order passed afterwards, we can on record we can coming the LRs mean legal representations, we can that case also we can clearly we can pleading also we can take the person only. Thank you very much.